So now here with Striker, all her bite work's built. Here, we're teaching her control on leg. So when we get decoy, without leash on eventually, I tell her watch. She stays on leg no matter where I go, backwards, forwards, sideways. So in reality, when you're in the street and you ever need the dog, one thing that I don't like with protection dogs is when somebody goes watch, and especially when you have a woman on the end, a little woman who can't control that power, and now you have this, watch, rah, 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 and they're going crazy doing this, and they can't control them. You have a liability, and you better hope you can call that dog off and shut it down before the leash goes on the floor and takes off after the person. So we don't do that at all. I don't want that in the end. I want a dog I can just go watch on cue, rah, 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 stays on leg, no equipment needed. They understand the game and the fluency. So we're gonna work on that here with Striker now. She has only had like a day or so of this, so this is pretty new for her. So as soon as the decoy moves, I tell her watch, and we start the game. I'm gonna say watch. Watch. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Watch. Here. Watch. Good. Watch. Good girl. Good girl. Watch. 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 Ready? Bucking. So after a few series, we're going to take the leash off. And now we're going to watch her do it without the leash, hopefully. Ready? Watch. Ah. Watch. Good girl. Watch. Good girl. What? Reverse. Watch. Good girl. Good girl. Watch. Girl. Okay. Good. Good. Watch. Good girl. Watch. Good girl. Reverse. Good. Watch. Yeah. Good. Ready? Bucking. All right. Right. Strike. House. Watch. Bucking. Okay, ready? Strike. House.